Hey, Will here from JB Hi-Fi. If you love a deep clean, you're in for a treat because Bissell has just taken spot cleaning to the next level with the new SpotClean Cordless. No cords, no hassle, just grab it and go. This little powerhouse is lightweight, compact and portable, so messes don't stand a chance. With up to 30 minutes of runtime, you've got plenty of juice to freshen up carpets, couches, pet beds and even your car's interior. Spilled your morning coffee? Muddy paw prints? No worries, this thing's got your back. Need extra oomph? Turbo mode gives you that deep clean power. Just doing a quick touch-up, Eco mode keeps things quiet and extends battery life. It's cleaning on your terms. Now, let's talk suction. This beast packs a 165 watt motor powered by a 25 volt lithium ion battery, meaning it can loosen, lift and extract stubborn stains with ease. No more endless scrubbing, just let the SpotClean Cordless do its thing. And when it's time to clean the cleaner, too easy. The Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool flushes out dirt and debris with the push of a button, so you're not spreading yesterday's mess onto today's job. Plus, for the first time ever on a Bissell spot cleaner, the hose assembly is fully detachable, no tools needed, so you can give it a proper clean when you need to. You'll also get a sample of Bissell's pet stain and odor formula and OxyBoost to help lift stains and freshen up your space. Whether you've got pets, kids, or just a knack for spilling things, the SpotClean Cordless is here to make your life easier. So if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, come check out the Bissell SpotClean Cordless. Swing by your local JB or shop online at jbhifi.co.nz.